Hey guys, Mr. Thaxton here. Hope everyone is having a fantastic Thursday. I am excited to talk to you a little bit more today about the Silk Road and just getting into an understanding of where it was located and things of that sort. So, we're kind of taking everything that we have learned so far about maps and legends and scales and compass roses and adding it all into one lesson with the Silk Road. After you have finished the assignment, which we'll talk more about in just a minute, you also need to watch this short little video on early explorers that will help us lead into our lesson tomorrow. Just a reminder, our job this week is to kind of get to a good stopping point. So when we start school back next week, after our 3-day weekend and in person, we will be at a good point to begin. So let's look at this assignment real fast. You'll click on the link. When you click on the link, it'll pop up. And this is one that has a Kami. So when you open the link, if it doesn't show Kami, then remember, log out. Make sure you're in the correct and the sync is on. And then log back in, and it should be working then. So be careful with that as you are starting. Make sure you have that. You're going to click Open in Kami. When you open it in Kami, it should be very easy for you to see the document. And you even can complete the document in class or in this form in Kami. You don't have to upload it or print it unless you want to. So the Silk Road, here's it says, on the map below, you will draw and label the Silk Road. Follow the directions below to complete the map. So you're going to label important landmarks such as mountain ranges on the map. You draw a compass rose, draw a Silk Road on the map and label it. Draw any of the other trade things that you saw. You can use the information that you already know. Is this map going to be perfect? No. But please make sure that you just do your best and you follow the directions 1 through 8. So let's say that I want to draw on this map. So I might say, okay, I'm going to mark it with a drawing. I'm going to choose a color, and this will kind of help me. So let's say I choose red. And I'm going to go from here to here. I branched off to here. Remember, it was showing different ways. All right. And then I might switch to blue for the waterway, right? Remember how it was going through here? Right. So something like that, and that does not look neat. And you might have to erase it. Remember, you can erase it, right? Use the eraser. Oh, I messed up right here. It erases it for me, and I can try it again. I'll go back to the blue color. And that was a big one. You might want to do a different one. So pretty simple to do. You're going to do that. Then you're going to follow these steps. Then it says, what were some obstacles merchants faced when traveling along the Silk Road? What waterways connect to the Asian trade routes, and which areas produce silk? You do not have to do the 3 questions at the end. Let me repeat that. You do not have to do the 3 questions at the end. Okay? I will make sure that unless you want to, you don't have to. So mainly is you're just completing 1 through 8 on the map. If you don't want to do it in Kami, you can print it out at your house, or you can draw it at yourself and add these 8 things. Okay? And then you'll need to take a picture of it and then probably email it to me. Okay? Any questions, just let me know. Do the best you can. And I think you'll enjoy doing this and learning a little bit more about the Silk Road. With that being said, that's all I got for you today. You have a fantastic Thursday, and I will see you guys back here with my recorded lesson tomorrow, Friday. And also, I look forward to seeing you in person starting next week. Have a great Thursday. Bye, guys.